find that?
I don't know yet. I'm not sure. No, I don't know. Let's see what hold on. Oh.
Catfish? Yep, it's a catfish. One catfish in the boat today. And luckily, because we used a circle hook, he's hooked himself dead in the side of the mouth, which means it'll be super easy to get out today.
How am I going to do this?
And that's the first catfish of the day. Give us a smile, Jen.
Or I can see this way. I can see the visuals.
All right, we got a fish on. Doesn't look huge.
Oh.
Jennifer's got her third fish. I've got 0.
I hope it's not a crab. I don't feel like it is though.
Pull it up.
I'm trying to see. It's got to be a catfish.
Yeah, it's a catfish. In the rain, a circling catfish.